Hello everyone. If you have Solana in your Phantom wallet and want to cash it out on your bank account, you are in the right place. In this video, I will walk you through the easiest and safest way to transfer your Solana from Phantom and convert it into your cash in your bank account. So now let's get started. So to withdraw your Solana, you first need to send it to a cryptocurrency exchange that supports bank withdrawals. Popular options include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, or Qcoin. Open your chosen exchange and navigate to the deposit section. Select Solana as your deposit currency and you will be given a wallet address. You will need to copy this address. Now open your Phantom wallet, go to the Send tab and paste the exchange wallet address into the recipient field. Now enter the amount of SOL you want to cash out. Double check the details and confirm the transaction. The transfer should only take a few minutes but times may vary depending on network congestion. Once your Solana arrives in the exchange account, go to Trade or Sell section, choose Solana or your local currency, and enter the amount of SOL you want to sell. Execute the sell order and your Solana will be converted into your local currency, which will now be available in your exchange's fiat balance. Now that you have the funds in fiat currency, it's time to withdraw it to your bank account. Navigate to the withdraw or cash out section of the exchange. Select your bank account as the withdrawal method, enter the amount and confirm the transaction. Some exchanges require you to link and verify your bank account before withdrawing, so if you haven't done that yet, make sure to complete that step first. So after submitting the withdrawal, check your bank account balance to confirm that the funds have arrived. Keep in mind that some exchanges charge withdrawal fees, so always check the transaction fees and minimum withdrawal limits before cashing out. And that's it. Now you know how to cash out Solana from Phantom wallet to your bank account quickly and safely. If this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe.